How to add new languages in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add new languages in your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the setting in the bottom left corner here. You can click on it. And then you will be in the setting page. As you can see in the left side of your screen, in the sidebar, there is languages. You can click on it. And then this is the language that available in my store, only English. So let's say I want to add a German. So I just can click add language here. And then I'm gonna select German and then click on it. And then you can read it, can just click next. And then you can choose the domain. So I'm gonna choose this one because I have set the market European Union here. And then click done. It's added to my store. And you can also add another languages. You can just repeat the process. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.